Right, Stu, here it is.
The day's come.
The day has come, finally. It's been a little while in the making.
It has been a little while, yeah.
But you've made it like an operating theatre, as
have.
per. It's a thing of beauty. You've got everything laid out, Stu.
Yeah, we have. We've got a plan. We've got everything here ready. Boxes, baggies, pens, the whole lot. So when we do start taking this apart, which will be in a minute.
Just momentary.
Yes.
Conversation.
Yes.
Before this is in bits, is that right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah,
yes.
that's just going to be okay. Yeah. And we've got a special guest today.
We have
a special guest.
Yes.
I wouldn't even say apprentice mechanic.
No.
She has probably more experience than all of us put together.
She's quite well versed in this kind of thing, isn't she?
And she does own a Range Rover Classic.
Yes, she does.
Should we meet the team?
Let's meet the team.
Let's get them.
And here they are. And Tuppers couldn't get out.
This is the plan. Look, we're filming right now, guys.
We're just that excited.
And ladies, we're ready to go. Yeah, like
Just
pent
can't
up
wait, get on it.
beasts,
Yes.
ready to go.
Yes.
So we've alluded to a plan. There is a plan. I
have.
don't know the plan.
Yeah.
Please relay the plan.
So the plan is we're going to tag team. We haven't decided on actual teams yet, have we?
No.
But we've got two guys,
Yes.
2 teams,
Okay.
plus a very special guest.
Yeah.
And what we're going to do is start at each end
Oh,
and meet in the middle.
I like that.
Yeah.
That's romantic.
Yeah, I think
like
so.
Beauty and the Beast.
Yeah.
Once this is complete, we're going to be, what, 2 or 3 days-ish blown apart?
I would say, I'd like to say a couple of good days, and it should be pretty much down.
A couple of
there
healthy
to,
days.
Yes.
Yeah. Stripped extensively
Yeah,
rather than
I
blown
think so.
apart. Mechanically, the engine is going to go off to a gentleman called John Eales. He is in the Midlands. He builds some of the most prolific Rover V8 engines. So that is going to be a special place for a special engine for a special car. Ready to go? I tell you what, actually, I've got one last surprise. Just one. You don't actually know about it, do you?
No, we don't. No.
I feel like with a build like this, you need a bit of sugar, a bit of energy. Hold on.
Oh, here we go.
Yeah. Ready, here it is.
Oh, look at this.
It's not rocket science, I know there's only 2, but we don't want a sugar dose overload. All right, so who's going to do the...
Go on, Ben.
Do it, Ben?
Go on, Ben. Do the honours. That's a very special knife.
Oh, yeah. Do you know how to do quarters, Ben?
No.
Should we do quarters? I'm not sure. After 4. 1, 2, 3.
He clearly doesn't understand.
I was doing 4 strips.
Oh, okay.
I'll go back to school, guys. Yeah, that's not gone well.
That's not...
Right, there we go. Right, let's just do it differently each time. There you go.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, I like this.
Thank you.
Go on, Alex, go for big guns. You sure? Owen, cameraman. This is the challenge.
A lot of energy there.
And you've gone for the big boy.
Tom thought it'd be a really good idea to get me on this today, as I do own a Range Rover Classic myself. So I've been doing some work on mine at home, mostly on the engine, but this is really exciting to be stripping everything down and just sort of seeing the inner works of it all. So the engine on this one's a little bit bigger than mine. This is the 3.9 V8, mine's the 3.5, so the baby V8, but it is pretty cool. I saw it rolling in, it sounded very nice, so I'm going to be really excited to see when this project is done.
I've worked on a couple of Range Rovers before, not too many, but they seem to share a lot of parts with the Discovery 1 and Defender 90, chassis-wise. Just starting to take the dash out now, just taking it as slowly as possible, so try and retain as much originality as possible without having to buy new parts.
So, Stu, we are, what, 5 hours in?
5 hours in.
If they could keep the noise down a little bit.
Yeah. 5 hours in. We've got a Range Rover explosion.
We've got a Range Rover explosion.
Yeah.
Have we found any problems?
Not that I'm aware of. Certainly not any problems that warrant any concern.
Are not resolvable.
No, that's
Yeah.
right.
We
No.
always thought there's going to be a few gremlins in here.
Yeah.
On the outset,
Yeah, it's good
pretty
news.
good. It's
Nothing
going
that-
pretty well.
Yeah, you know, nothing that we're overly concerned about.
Well,
Yeah,
there's
it's
not
going
much more for me to add. There's a few
Really?
dash pieces I can see that are
Yeah.
brittle that are going to need replacing.
Yeah.
Door panels, they haven't been stripped out yet, but they look in pretty good form. Inside, for what we can see,
Yeah.
other than a bit of surface rust,
Yeah,
we
little bits,
we
you know,
expected that.
Stuff like this is what we expected.
Yeah. But overall,
Overall, it looks
we're very
pretty
happy.
good.
We're drawing to a close, Stu.
We are.
We've had a great day, the team. I've not heard too many swear
well,
words.
no, the team have had a really good day. I mean, I can't put my hands up to much of it, to be honest, but I've had a good look round and we've had a really good day. Not many horrors.
You have been looking
I
for
say
some
not
horrors.
Many, not many horrors.
There's a few.
There are a few,
And
but-
maybe a few that you guys will be able to help us out with. So there's not too
Yeah,
many, we're
probably,
pleased to
yeah.
know.
Yeah,
We've been
that's right.
looking through some of these comments that when we did the original video,
Yes, yeah.
we've got Zander, proper gentleman's car.
Absolutely.
Well, obviously,
Yeah,
that's what it
obviously,
is.
yeah.
Neil, this is going to be the ultimate gentleman's car.
It will,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's going to be that.
Once it's done.
Andrew, great to see a classic Range Rover project brought through your transformation.
Yes.
That's going to be quite
It will
pleasant.
be-
Isn't it
and
nice?
it'll be quite a transformation
It'll be
too,
nice.
won't it?
There we've got Rob. Rob, you've put on here plenty of places now do repair panels for inner wings, etc.
That's good to know, because we have found this sort of area here where it's been patched before and will need doing again.
We'll need doing.
So that's
So,
good.
Rob, do send us some information on that. Thank you very much. Really do appreciate all of your feedback on the video. It does help, and any further help would be welcome. One of the parts, actually, I say one, but
Yes.
one of few of the dash panels that
Yeah.
are just.
It's a little concern from my point of view. Is, you know, this is genuine Range Rover quality plastic walnut.
A thing of beauty, a thing
of
that
beauty,
needs to
yes.
go on the mantelpiece,
Yes, it
not
does.
in the fire.
Not, well, no,
No,
not in the fire.
no.
And I don't think it will find its way back onto
I
the
don't
car
think it
once
will
it's
do,
done,
no. So if anybody knows where we can source, maybe not this type, but something of the sorts, then please do drop in the comment section below. So we're just tiptoeing around all of this paraphernalia that's been stripped off.
Yes.
We're not going to get any way, we're not going to get any way.
No,
We are
sorry,
going to
Ben.
sign off the video. What they're doing now is placing out all the panels for the all-important Instagram shot, obviously. Look, come on, as if by
There she
magic.
is.
Yeah, and this wasn't even planned. Where's the overalls?
I just changed.
Ah,
I'm back in work
have,
mode
have you
now.
had a nice day?
I've had a great day.
You've had a lovely day. Getting your hands dirty, but you've been wearing gloves.
Yeah, they're actually okay, right, kind of okay.
There's a bit of damage.
A bit of paint.
Oh, a
that's
bit of paint.
That's
Oh,
not
okay.
bruised, don't worry.
Okay, so the boys, again, working hard, laying it all out, Instagram shots for you, but in turn for them.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, as always, for watching. It's been a great day.
It's been a good
Yeah,
day.
2 videos,
Yeah.
a Range Rover stripped, well,
Yeah.
70%
Lots
stripped.
done.
Lots done. Let's sign off.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Likes, subscribes, all of the above, notification button. See you on the next video.